If you are wondering if you can transcript and translate voice recordings on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, then the answer is, well, no, not really. While we can convert the speech to the text in the voice recorder. So for example, if you have a voice recording, you can open it, tap on these three dots in the top right corner, and then you can choose transcribe into text, and then you can choose to transcribe into, for example, English United States. Then you should be able to create the text over here. However, we cannot really translate the voice recording. It doesn't allow us, we don't have the option to translate the voice recording. So the least what you can do is simply get the transcription by playing the voice recording, the voice memo, and then you can use this text in order to, for example, translate it by using any other app. But it seems that, okay, so if you finally stop, then we can, for example, press and hold in order to copy everything, and then you can use a translator, for example, a Google translator, in order to translate the voice recording. So it is a little bit inconvenient, but within the voice recorder we cannot really do the full thing. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.